Ever wake up feeling that heavy dread? That feeling of another day of the same old grind? That sinking feeling as you scroll through social media, seeing others live their best lives while you're stuck in a routine that just drains you? You're not alone. Deep down, we all want the same thing, don't we? Freedom. The freedom to choose, to wake up when we want, work on what truly matters, and say no to the things that steal our joy. But for most of us, that feels like a far-off dream, stuck behind a mountain of bills and decades of work. What if I told you that dream of total freedom, of not having to work, could be yours much, much sooner than you think? What if you could flip the script on that endless work cycle?
Hold on, InvestorMindset. Are you selling me a lottery ticket here? Because my bank account says, not a chance.
No lottery here, my friend. This is real. This is the financial independence, retire early, or FIRE movement. And it's not just a trend. It's a powerful idea that's changing lives. It's about building a life where your time isn't sold to a boss, but is truly your own, because your money works for you. The core idea is simple but powerful. You save a big chunk of your income, sometimes half or even more, and then you wisely invest that money. The goal? To grow an investment fund so large that the money it makes, on its own, can easily cover all your living costs. This is your personal freedom number. Financial experts often talk about a 4% rule. It means you can safely take out about 4% of your total investment fund each year without it ever running out. So if you spend 5 lakhs rupees a year, you'd need about 1 rupee 25 crores rupees saved up. And here's the part that gets people excited. How fast can you hit that number? Because it might be much, much faster than you've ever imagined. So how do you actually start walking this path to freedom? It comes down to 2 very important things: saving more than you ever thought possible, and making your money work hard for you. First, you have to get real with your money. Look at where every single rupee goes. Do those daily online orders, or that subscription you never use, truly bring you lasting happiness? Or are they just draining your bank account, inch by inch? Every rupee you save now is a rupee that starts working for you, thanks to that amazing thing called compound interest. Think of it like this: your money makes babies, and those babies make more babies, and it just keeps growing. This isn't about suffering, it's about being smart. It's about choosing to spend on what truly matters to you and cutting out the rest to speed up your journey to freedom. Next, your saved money isn't just sitting there. You put it to work. This means investing in things that grow over time, like simple, low-cost investment funds, or even smart real estate choices. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. It's like planting a... Now here's the cool part. FIRE isn't a single strict rule. It has different flavors to fit your life. Lean FIRE, for those who are happy living simply, with less stuff, so they can be free much, much sooner. Think total freedom, minimal fuss. Fat FIRE, for people who want to keep their current comfortable lifestyle or even upgrade it when they stop working. This needs more money, but offers more comfort. Barista FIRE, you reach financial independence but keep a fun, easy part-time job, maybe at a coffee shop or doing something you love just to cover some costs or stay busy. It's a nice middle ground. And one that many young people love, Coast FIRE. You save really hard for just a few years, hit a certain investment goal, and then you stop adding money. Your investments then keep growing on their own, coasting you to your full freedom number by your normal retirement age. This means you can then take a lower-paying job, travel, or just chill without stressing about money. Which of these sounds most like your dream? Think about it, because your choice will guide your whole plan. While the idea of FIRE is incredibly exciting, we have to be real about it. Let's look at both the amazing wins and the practical challenges. The wins are huge. Unimaginable freedom, finally having the time to chase your true passions, travel the world, spend endless quality time with family and friends, take care of your health without rushing, and truly live life on your terms. Imagine having the time to learn that new skill, start that business you've always dreamed of, or just relax without that constant pressure. This is about taking back your most precious thing, your time. But it's not a magic trick. There are challenges. It demands serious self-control, especially when you're earning well. What if the stock market takes a huge dip just as you're ready to stop working? Pause for emphasis. Or what if your life costs suddenly jump up? And then there's the human side. How do you explain to your family and friends that you're retired at 35? These are not small questions, and they deserve real thought. So, is FIRE for you? It's not about forcing yourself into a life you'll hate just to stop working. It's about honestly looking at what you value most. Are the benefits of early freedom worth the hard work and discipline now? It's about understanding what truly makes you happy and making a smart choice that fits you. If this idea truly excites you, here's the simple first step. Figure out your own freedom number. Start with how much you spend in a year. Become a money detective. Track every rupee and find those sneaky savings opportunities. Find ways to earn more, learn new skills, ask for a raise, or start a side hustle. More money in, faster to freedom. Start investing, even a little bit consistently. Remember, compound interest is your superpower. Remember, being wealthy isn't just about how much money you have, it's about the choices it gives you, the freedom it buys, and the amazing life it lets you truly live. The power to design that life, it's waiting for you, right now. If this deep dive into FIRE has sparked a fire within you and given you a clearer path to living life on your own terms, then you're exactly the kind of smart, driven person we want in our community. Hit that subscribe button right now and join the Investor Mindset family. Don't let your financial future be left to chance. Take control, make smart moves, and let's build that amazing, wealthy lifestyle together. See you in the next video.